This is what they've been missing. You can do Zoom and palpate things on yourself and try to palpate, articular pillars, but it really means nothing until you get down to where you actually have a patient in front of you and are able to accomplish that with somebody who really cares about your osteopathic medical training, there to assist you with that hands over hands, finding that somatic dysfunction, guiding you through a treatment, and then you see that change. And then the patient goes, man, yeah, I actually feel better. That's huge for a first year and second year osteopathic medical student to know that they have that ability now to affect that change, and they're doing it in this live person setting, and they're actually helping their classmates.
Being here at the Fairplex has actually been pretty cool. We had a lot of time to prepare going into this, so we already had some ideas in mind what to expect in terms of how to prepare for testing and everything like that. When I came here though, it was very cool to see how everything was organized and laid out. I wasn't expecting to have so many precautions, but when he came here, it felt really good to know that the faculty cared about our safety. We were given N95 masks, surgical masks, even face shields or safety glasses.
Having this time, gaining the confidence in these skills, having the time to practice is essential, and we're so grateful to have this space dedicated to really allowing the students to have this really important component of their curriculum.